Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Ella Gabriella, but you can just call me Ella. Today we are doing an unboxing, unbagging, and a just quick review on the moon boot. So I've always been a fan. I've always wanted a pair. I always saw them on everyone and they're so cute. I recently saw them on Paige DeSorbo on Winter House and I was like, oh my God, I want them, I gotta have them. So I went ahead and I ordered them. First things first, let me show you what they come in. They do not come in a traditional box. They come in a bag, and this is how it is, so it's kind of cute, and I did get the pink color. According to their website, they are unisex, and there's no left and there's no right, so you really have to determine that. I did see somebody say, if you look at the tags inside, wherever the tag is on the inside, you can make your determination of what side you want the tag to be on to kind of keep them left and right, because eventually your foot will get an impression in them. So first things first, here's the boot. They're really cute. They're very cartoon-esque. As you can see, they go straight. They don't go one way or another. They tie up, but you're not really gonna use that tie too much. And if you see inside, they're a little padded here in the back by your heel and then on the bottom. So they are pretty high. You're gonna get a little bit of height with them, as well as traction control on the bottom, and I know we love traction control. These specific moon boots retail for about $140. I did buy them on Saks.com. I did a quick view this morning and I couldn't seem to find the moon boot website. I don't doubt it's out there, but I don't know why it wasn't coming up first. If I do find it, I will link it below. So these ones were $140, which I thought was a pretty good price. They are fully plastic here, so they're gonna be waterproof on the bottom. This also feels like a faux leather plasticky as well. These are both of them together. I love the color. I think it's really nice. It's more of a vibrant baby pink, if that, you can even say that. They do look pretty large and my feet are big, so they're probably gonna make them look big, but that's kind of the look that we're going to. So now we're gonna do the try on portion. So let's see how comfortable these are, because they appear that you're walking on clouds. They look really comfortable, and we'll see. I did want to get them in the best lighting that I could. They're really cute. They do make my feet look very large. And as you can see here, there's quite a bit of room in here. So you're definitely going to have to, get a sock that goes over your pants, because you're going to be exposed. My overall impression of them is they're cuter off than they are on. They're not super comfortable. You would think that they're more comfortable given they're kind of made out of styrofoam. I felt a little bit of pain back here on my heel. I think that over extended periods of time standing in them, it would hurt. Unless your feet starts to mold to, I think it's styrofoam in there. Also, with that whole styrofoam theme, they're quite noisy. And that's kind of what it sounds like when you're walking around in them. I think on there, not as tapered as they should be here. I think this is really quite a big opening. And I wanted to love them, but I don't know if I do. I love the color, but they're just not super practical. And for that reason, I am out. All I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you own them, please leave some comments below. Tell me what you thought about them. I'm still on the fence. I think the color is beautiful, but they're just not giving me what I need from them. And I think that there's better options out there. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time.